Hi everyone. I'm so happy to share this video with you in this Youth Day. Uh, Actually, today's youth are making wonders. Why not our school students? Yes, our school higher secondary students has done a lot of projects in this corona period too. And I expect the same from you two kids. Will you all do? Okay, come and join with me to see the video of the achievements of our students of Kamlavadi Senior Secondary School. Come, let's go into the video. And first one is the greatest achievement that we have been selected as one among the seven from whole India and only one school in Tamil Nadu. They have came to our school and shooted all the projects and achievements we have done, and this was published in national television. And here are the some of the clippings for your visual.
And this is a young aspiring 11th grade student, Roshni, from a remote town of Tamil Nadu. Roshni hails from the fishing community. She realized that the fishermen had to travel far into the sea to catch fish, and yet many times after a hard day's labor, they returned without any catch. She thought of making an equipment that can help them reach exactly where the fish were in large numbers and then head back home. The idea was to help save both time and fuel. She made use of GPS to realize her dream. Invention by children? It surely sounds unbelievable.
I believe in think globally, start locally and scale up rapidly. I wanted my students to think globally. In order to do that, I wanted my students to have a global exposure. Last year, we represented India to IEEE Junior Einstein Project Competition held at Bangkok, Thailand. That gave my students an opportunity to interact and network with the school students across nation so that they can understand what is happening outside.
To encourage them, I'll boost them in activities, giving small projects for the exhibition like a thing, and that can be appreciated in the assembly, even in the classrooms. I encourage the teacher to give small prizes as a token of appreciation.
Very happy.
Buhari, a student from a small town of Tamil Nadu, was concerned about regular power outages in his community. On inquiring about this, from the electricity department, he was informed that wastage of electricity was a major cause for this. To verify, he conducted a research in his community. He found that 75% of shortage was due to mismanagement of electricity in homes. Having identified the core problem, he started exploring a solution for it.
We thought that it should be cost efficient, easily accessible, and it should be easily used by every people in the home. It should be not harmful, it should be shockless, main. So we made this machine known as power using alert system. It is nothing but a circuit setup which makes you to use the electric current in a limit.
Hatched to help him out, Umar developed an incubator.
This is my project incubator. It is an artificial method of egg hatching. In this project, we had used two things. One is thermostat and a bulb. Thermostat is used for indicating the heat of the egg. Bulb is giving artificial heat to the egg. We can see the temperature rising in the indicator, sir. In this already we had kept 5 eggs. 3 chick had came out, 2 had died because of the movement inside the incubator.
Next, our student Adeline Precious Joffin impress the judges of virtual IEEE International Project Competition, which made the judges to visit our lab along with Mr. Dhanapalan, Rotarian and MD of Janani Envirotech, Coimbatore, to market her product.
The next honorable mention goes to, it is none other than Adeline Presikas Joffin for her hand sanitizer, which is the need of this moment. So the team scientist is awarded a honorable mention regarding this IEEE SS12 Junior Engineering track. Congratulations, Adeline.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, yes. It's a great moment.
Here comes the national level achievement in this Corona period. This competition is organized by Gumaraguru College of Technology in association with IEEE, and these are the winners of the competition from our school.
I am Anishankar, studying class 9 in Kamlavati Senior Secondary School. I have done a project Aero Passenger Safety. For what purpose I did this project means, first, in nowadays many of the people are using aeroplane for speed travel, and sometimes the fault of engine or any disaster, the aeroplane will going to the degrading stage and cause accidents. So for this problem I find a solution that can now control the servo motor with our mobile. Now I can operate this door like this will open automatically, and inside this there will be a parachute, and this parachute is connected with the cabin. This cabin will fly on the with the use of parachute and land safely.
Hello everyone, I am B. Adeline Precious Joffin from Kamlavati Senior Secondary School. This is my project Automatic Hand Sanitizer. Nowadays, in views of rapid increase of COVID-19, there is a high probability of manual sanitizer. That's what when an infected person touches the manual sanitizer, that time it creates some problem, and when virus being transmitted to other healthy person. That to beat that, I done this automatic hand.
Consolation prize goes to multi-purpose agriculture machine. In this machine, it has a sensor to check the moisture level of the sand. If the moisture level is so low, it will water. Can you see that pipe? It will water. And when it moving itself, it will seed the land, and at the end we have a roller. It will level the land. So 3-in-1 will be done here. Okay. Next, our national level achievement is fingerprint starter bike. Our student Abhishek Ram of class 8 have achieved this level, and he is selected for the boot camp which is going to be conducted at national level. He participated in Children Innovative Festival organized by GUSEC, Gujarat University Startup Conclave.
You only have to be right once. But the question is, can everyone conquer over failure or its fear?
And his achievement is widely accepted and recognized by many newspapers such as Hindu Tamil, Malay Malar and Dinamalar. And here are the newspaper cuttings for your glance.
I'm going to explain about my project. When I use my key to turn on the bike does not turn on. And then I start my project and then place my index finger to turn on the bike. Then I place my thumb finger to start the bike. Then I again place my index finger to turn off the bike. And we can see I kept the project inside the tank pad. Thank you.
Here comes our success story in district level. Science Center has organized a competition called Invasive Species Competition, in which our students have collected the maximum number of invasive, that is 25 species. So he is awarded as the best. Here comes the Tinker Festival 2020, the most wanted competition by our innovators. Even in this corona period, we doesn't stop any of our competition. Everything went normally, that is new normal manner. And our mentor, Mr. Navanitha Krishnan sir, and our principal, who supported to conduct this event even pandemic situation. We have conducted virtually. More than 32 entries came to our school from various schools from Tamil Nadu and outside the Tamil Nadu too. And our school students have actively participated. These are some of the student certificate in this corona period. Today's youth are tomorrow's India. So kids, I hope this video will be a great inspiration for you all. And what are you waiting for? Start mentoring now itself. Do small projects. Ask doubts. Try to know many facts as possible. As Swami Vivekananda said, if you not, then who? Let's join hands to become a great achievers of tomorrow. Thank you.